In today's digital world, creating a website is an essential tool for businesses, individuals, and anyone who wants to establish an online presence. Squarespace is a popular website builder that I've been using for over 10 years. Why? Because it makes it easy to create beautiful and professional websites without any coding knowledge. In this comprehensive guide, I'm going to walk you through the basics of using Squarespace, from setting up an account to customizing your website's design. Creating a Squarespace account. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to squarespace.com and we're going to go ahead and click on the Get Started button right here at the top. So from here, Squarespace is going to ask you a whole bunch of questions about your website and what you want your website to accomplish. So you can choose from any of these different options. Here's offering you from photography, technology, personal, and CV, or you can even add in something that you don't see already. So I'm going to put in that we want to sell cleaning supplies. So I'm going to go ahead and type in cleaning supplies right here. And then we're going to just build a website that's all about cleaning supplies or cleaning services. Now, the next thing it's going to ask you is some of the goals that you have for your website. What do you want to do? Do you want to sell products? Let's say we're going to sell products. We're going to send invoices, and we're also going to offer some ways for people to learn about our services, to get in contact with us as well. Now we're going to hit next, and our next step is going to be we're going to choose one of these templates that offer us something that we can really envision our brand coming through for our customers as they're seeing our website. So imagine your customer, your ideal customer, is looking for a website that offers cleaning supplies in their area. You want to find something that's really going to capture their attention and make them feel welcome on your website, and really is going to showcase and match the products and services that you sell. So we have a plethora of different templates here, and we're going to find something that matches exactly what we want our website to look like. So I'm going to choose this one here. So we're going to start with this one. Now, Squarespace is going to ask you to provide an email and a password for you to go ahead and set up your account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue with email. I'm going to put in my information, and we're going to go ahead and set up a secure account for us. Now that we've done that, we can access our dashboard. So we can go here and we're going to provide a domain to get started on our website. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and click the settings button here, and I'm going to have two options. So I can either use get a domain, or I can use a domain that I already own. So I'm going to choose get a domain, and I'm going to get that using Squarespace. So I'm going to find something that has cleaning supplies in that domain, and I'm going to choose something that I want to use for my website. So from there, I can add this to my cart, and the next page it's going to show you your registration information. So it's going to ask you for your name, your email information, and your purchase information. So you're able to make that purchase of your new website. So now I've purchased my website. I'm going to go ahead and start customizing it with content. I'm going to add in my website name. I'll also have some options here to learn about selling my products. And as you can see here, I can go ahead and start setting up a page. So from the pages section, I can add an about page. I can choose a layout that works for me, and I can add these different content blocks on my website to match the content that I want my customers to see. So I can customize the text here. I can customize the images, the size, and the spacing and everything here. So let's say I want to add in a photo like a cleaning bottle, cleaning supplies and things here. I can do that from this section here. So now that I've got a page already set up here, let's say that I want to kind of customize my website around colors and fonts that I see that are really gonna speak to my brand. I can either go in here and I can customize this palette. I can change some of the shades and the hues that I see here, or I can actually use an image and I can make a color palette from that image. So this is really cool. I've got the image that I've already selected on the website. Let's say I want to make everything else on that page match that color palette. So I can upload that image, and Squarespace has actually made a palette that's around colors that are similar to that image. So now I can choose things on the website that are going to be within one of these themes. So they can be in the light theme, the dark theme, the bright theme, but all of them are going to be around that same color palette. I can customize the font. I can customize the height and the spacing of the text there. And I can customize the size of the text and the style as well. So this is really cool. I can actually change how customers are going to see the text on the website. And I can even customize small details like the size and the shape of the buttons on the website. And these are really detailed things, but they're important because if you have a customer that is just viewing your website for the first time, or you have a customer that's viewing your website on a regular basis, let's say you have a repeat customer, all these things matter to their experience using your website. So now I've customized my about page, and I'm also going to customize the home page to match that same theme, right? So that theme is throughout my website. I'm double checking all the content on my website and making sure that there's no grammatical errors or anything like that. Now I've got my website the way I want it to look. I can go ahead and publish my website. To do that, I'm going to click subscribe, and I'm going to find a plan that matches my needs. So look at this chart here and see what types of things that you want, and you'll find one that matches your needs. And now you can add in your payment information, and you're ready to go ahead and get started with your new website. So this is your last step in publishing your website. So congratulations, you have actually created your first website on Squarespace. So you've done all the things from creating an account to customizing the content to designing the layout of your website. And Squarespace has extensive documentation, tutorials, and support resources to help you customize your website. And if you'd like more customized training on designing and using your website, feel free to reach me at techsplorer.media. My name is Gary Atkinson, and I've really enjoyed working with you today to get you set up to use your Squarespace website. Thanks so much. And again, you can reach me at www.techsplorer.media or techsplorermedia.com. And I look forward to working with you and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.